Leo Messi, what are you doing, man? You could have gone out of Copa America, right? Your best friend, your rival, Cristiano Ronaldo, got knocked out in the round of 16. You could have at least gone out in the quarterfinal stage. Instead, you are racking up assists after assists, goals after goals, 4 assists, 8 goal contribution, 10 goals Argentina have scored, and you have 8 goal contributions. Come on, man. What will we, Ronaldo fanboys, do? We'll sit the whole night and make videos on Leo Messi. Oh, man, I can't believe I'm saying this, but take out Leo Messi out of this Argentina team and then just imagine the game against this very Ecuador. There would be no threat at all. And also credit to Di Maria after coming on, he did brilliantly. But when you talk about impact, just imagine Messi has missed a clear-cut goal chance, just like Higuain did in World Cup 2014. Open chance, he hit the post, and after that he keeps on creating more and more chances. Only one threat in the Argentina team, that's Leo Messi. On the other hand, there's Mendes taking shots on goal, and then there's Ener Valencia missing headers after headers. Ecuador looked the more threatening team, but then the first goal, again Leo Messi snatched the ball in the midfield, then provided a beautiful through ball for Nicolas Fernandez. And what did he do? The goalkeeper tackled him and he couldn't just get around the goalkeeper. Messi in that situation could have taken a shot on goal, but he decided to provide a diagonal cross pass to Rodrigo de Paul, and that was a beautiful assist, because when the goalkeeper is off the line, you feel the player who has missed an open chance always goes for goal, but Messi didn't do so. Every corner, every free kick Messi was taking, there was always a threat. The free kick which he took and Nicolas missed, two golden chances, one with the header and then when it rebounded off the keeper with his feet, again it got saved. There was a beautiful chance for an assist for Messi. But then again in the second half, it was Messi who was always making those quintessential Messi runs into the box from the right hand side. And then when Di Maria came in, it was a brilliant snatch by Di Maria, which Messi got a back pass which was snatched by Di Maria, and Messi got the chance again. He could have taken a shot on goal, but Lautaro Martinez, who was doing nothing else in the match, was standing in a beautiful position to score that goal. So Messi squared it to Lautaro Martinez for that assist. But the third one, when the penalty was given, again a brilliant run by Di Maria, and when Di Maria got fouled, first referee thought that it was a penalty, it was tackled in the box, and then VAR told him that no, it might be a chance of a free kick, and he gave a free kick. I and my friend were talking that if it's a penalty, my friend was saying, he's a big fan, my friend, he was saying that he will definitely miss it. And I said that no, even if it's a penalty, it will go inside, Messi will definitely score. And if it's a free kick, when free kick was decided, when the referee went to the monitor and free kick was signaled, I said that it will now definitely be a goal. Because for me, Messi is the best free kick taker of all time. And what beautiful placement from that place where he took the free kick. The wall was there and the goalkeeper was standing right there. No player in the world would have targeted that post, the second post. Hardly the goalkeeper was at a distance from this second post. The shot was perfectly placed with precision, and there was brutal power in it too, because it went beside the wall, right past the wall, and the goalkeeper couldn't even move a foot and take a jump. He had to jump from his spot, and that's why he couldn't get a fingertip to it. Had he been able to take one step to his left, that wouldn't have been a goal. So the power was there. Messi is talked about precision, but here was the power which he needed. And the whole game was controlled by Messi. this Messi in this top form, I feel if he manages to win the Copa America for Argentina, he's sure shot taking away the best FIFA Best Player Award and Ballon d'Or Award, because in spite of not winning anything else apart from Copa del Rey, his amount of goals for Barcelona and the way he is playing for Argentina in this Copa America, it surely guarantees that individual award for him. Even if he doesn't win the Copa America, he will be in a great position to grab that award just because of the number of goals and assists. So Argentina, please give Messi a treat, because without Messi, I don't think Messi at this point of time and Argentina at this point of time is surely a one-man army, which Portugal isn't, because the impact of Cristiano Ronaldo, in spite of scoring 5 goals in Euro 2020, has been far less than what Messi has had with Argentina, for Argentina in this year's Copa America. For now, I'll take a goodbye. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.